Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Critter Rescue. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a game here on Google Play. So it's a casual game, it features adorable puppies and a variety of plants, offering players a pleasant gaming experience. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you just organize your pets. So as you can see, the reviews are 4.6 out of 5 stars with only 133 reviews. And they only have 1k plus downloads. So let's see all the reviews here. So good, both of them are good. So the only problem I see that this is a new game, and with new games like these, there tend to be a lot of ads. Since they can't make any money, they need to put a lot of ads into their games. So this is obviously for children, and I would advise you to actually monitor your children when playing this, since they might click on the ads and might get scammed from redirects onto different websites. Other than that, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.